southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lebanon to near Birdsboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Manville, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Helletown, Birdsboro, Flemington, Fleetwood, Chalfont, Singing Spring, Tenicum, and Lauraldale. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 298. Northeast extension between mile markers 32 and 53. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 27. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.